you to bed when you've had too much to drink. I could be the man who grows old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold, need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in the kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you.
Bakit Tita Rita?
When your tummy aches, build you fire when your furnace breaks. It could be so nice growing
Sabi
old.
kayo mga miming,
I'll miss you, give you my coat when you're cold, need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. Let me do the dishes in the kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. I could be the man who grows old with you. Wanna grow old with you. Yes, pustahan man dyan, guys. Woo! Woo! Thank you so much. Baka po gusto niyo rin sa ako mag-jam.
Hindi naman sinabi ka
Si ma'am na po, nagtayo na siya, tumayot na siya. Yan na.
Ano ba, may banana? Ano ba?
Anong song po natin?
May katanungan pa kasi.
Sige po.
If I ever
Pwede naman po kayo mag-duet. Dalawa na may kayo mic.
If I ever fall in love again.
Ini-start yung ginara eh.
Patayin yung ilaw. If I ever fall in love. Hindi ako naka-shot. Kailangan ko mag-shot din. Ito ako si Kenny Rogers. Sino si Kenny Rogers sa atin? Hindi naman siya nagmamit, di ba? Love, huwag ka magtayo. O baka tumayo ako. Baka gusto mo sabihin, love, tumayo ka na. Sinapit tubig ba? Mapapaya tayo.
Ah, miming.
Hello? Ayun! Yes!
Kaya talaga mga...
Hello? Hello?
No.
Sino si Kenny Rogers? Ikaw ako.
Hello? Hello? Now you're everything that I've been looking for.
Yung kasama ko po ngayon, mga pusa. Kasi naman namin ng mga pusa, di ba, Mimi? Pagkain. So, actually, nagugustuhan ko lang dito yung sandwich. Yung calamares, hindi naman masyado.
Sometimes when this broken heart can bend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one who pulled me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, so scared to fly in such a long way down.